Hello friends, welcome to my channel Prachi Style. Thank you for watching my videos. Also thank you for all your comments and also interacting with me. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching all the perfume related videos, and it is your love that has motivated me to create one more video. And if you keep liking my videos, I'll definitely feel motivated and would help me grow my channel. And it really helps. So here I wanted to share one more perfume with you. So this is a fragrance from a designer called as Elisab. So this is La Perfume, that's EDP version, and this was on my wish list for a long time, but I've recently got my hands on it. So I've bought it for around 7,000 rupees. You can find it on many of the online shopping apps, also in the stores. So I've bought it from a store, and I've really loved this fragrance. Actually, I just wanted to decide. There were two fragrances which I had narrowed it down to. One was this, and one was Mugler Alien. So I chose this one because it was a bit softer and sweeter as compared to Mugler Alien. But I loved both of these fragrances. If you are a floral fragrance lover, definitely try these two fragrances. You'll definitely love it. Also, the Gucci Flora Jasmine, if you like jasmine fragrance. So, that's a peculiar, beautiful blend of white jasmine. So, I've loved that also. So, all those are on my wish list. Uh, but yeah, just let's talk about this one. So this one is a beautiful fragrance. I just fell in love with this one, and this is a designer fragrance from a designer Elisab, and the nose or perfumer for this fragrance is Francis Kurkdjian, and this is a white floral, sweet honey based, woody, floral, very feminine, citrusy, patchouli based fragrance. It is said to be very elegant, very feminine, super chic, and is beautifully composed, I feel. Um, there are the notes of sweet, floral, and citrusy are well balanced and give you that designer feel, and as if you're wearing something very expensive. And the fragrance, it sometimes when you apply a fragrance and the notes just separate out, and on the dry down you can just smell vanilla, so I don't like it that much. But in this one, the notes stay. The sweet, beautiful floral fragrance lingers on your skin even after the dry down, and this is a bit long lasting than other designer fragrances which I have tried previously, even more than Versace, I think. So this one I really loved. And to talk about the notes of this fragrance, the top notes are of orange or orange blossom, but African orange flower. So the middle note is of jasmine, and base notes are of white honey, patchouli, rose, and Virginia cedar. So you can definitely smell jasmine in it prominently, orange flower on the first spray, but as soon as the first spray dries down, like after half an hour, you can start smelling honey, patchouli, and a light beautiful blend of rose and cedar notes. That's the woody and floral notes, and that sweet smell lingers for rest of the time, and it really makes me feel happy. So I was so happy that I picked this one. So seeing how much I've loved it, I think I'm going to wear it most of the time until the bottle is over. So this one is suitable for summers, office wear, also for all the Indian functions. I think this would go well with all the ethnic outfits and the occasions. Also, this is suitable for fancy restaurant dinners or fancy dates or lunch with your girls or dreamy vacations. So it's, I think, suitable for most of the occasions, most of the seasons. You don't have to think much about it. And the inspiration for this fragrance, um, as mentioned on Fragrantica, so Elisa mentioned some inspiration for this. So she said, I come from a Mediterranean city, bathed, bathed in heat and light, surrounded by vibrant nature, loaded with fragrance. One scent stays firmly in my mind, that of orange blossom. The house where I grew up, surrounded by orange trees, and when the breeze came through the branches, they brought the ethereal fragrance with them. So, this is inspired by uh, Elisab. So the perfumer who made this, Francis, he says that he has paid a tribute to Elisab's memories of the Mediterranean and the scent of orange blossom in the air. So he had mentioned this for ADT version, I think, but it must be the same because in this fragrance also you can prominently smell orange blossom, and you get that Mediterranean vibe in this fragrance because of the fruity orange blossoms and the way jasmine and everything is used. I could also actually at a point smell gardenia or cherry blossom in this. However, it's not mentioned in the notes on Fragrantica, but I could definitely smell it. And longevity wise, it's really good. It lasted on my skin for around 4 to 4.5 hours, depending on the day. I've used it in summer. If you try using it in winters, I think it would last a bit longer. Also, this is worth buy for all the people who love floral fragrances, and is said to be similar to Narciso Rodriguez's For Her and Givenchy La Interdite, and Mugler Alien. However, like I mentioned, this is a bit sweeter than Alien, but I really loved Mugler Alien also. I'm definitely going to buy that somewhere down the line. Um, also, uh, also in the dry down, as this fragrance progresses on your skin, it definitely leaves a elegant fragrance. I mean, the dry down is not disappointing at all. The dry down also gives you that designer feel, the elegance and beauty of the fragrance is intact even on dry down. Like in some fragrances, the dry down is really bad, so you don't want to smell the dry down. You feel like you should apply some other fragrance. But in this case, the lingering fragrance is really good. Believe me, those of you who love floral fragrances would love this one. You should definitely try this before buying. And if you like such videos, please do like, share, and subscribe. Also, I love to read all the comments, and I would love for you to interact on these videos. So, please, if you have any questions related to the fragrance, please feel free to add comments. And please do like, share, and subscribe if you like my videos. It motivates me to create more videos. Also, if you're watching this video from your mobile YouTube app, please do hype it so it reaches more people and helps my channel to grow. Also, until the next video, goodbye, take care, thank you.